As someone who has tested numerous compact computing solutions, the Beelink SER5 Pro Mini PC stands out as a compelling option for users seeking a balance between performance and space efficiency. This device packs an AMD Ryzen 7 5850U processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, reaching up to 4.4 GHz turbo speeds. Combined with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 500 GB NVMe SSD, it creates a smooth experience for daily computing tasks. The first thing that strikes you about this machine is its remarkably small footprint. Measuring just under 9 inches wide and weighing less than 2 pounds, it occupies minimal desk space and can even be mounted behind a monitor using the included bracket. The matte black chassis features a subtle glossy accent, giving it a professional appearance suitable for both home and office environments. Performance-wise, this mini PC handles office applications and multimedia tasks with ease. Microsoft Office Suite applications launch almost instantly, and having multiple browser tabs open while streaming 4K video poses no noticeable lag. The integrated AMD Radeon graphics with 8 cores at 2000 MHz handles 4K video playback smoothly, making it suitable for media center setups. Where this device truly shines is in its multi-display capabilities. Through its HDMI DisplayPort and USB-C video output ports, I successfully drove 3 1080p monitors simultaneously without any frame drops or resolution scaling issues. This makes it particularly valuable for productivity-focused users who need extended screen real estate for spreadsheets, design work, or monitoring dashboards. Thermal management deserves special mention. The combination of a heatsink, cooling fan, and advanced airflow design keeps components at reasonable temperatures even during prolonged use. Fan noise remains at whisper-quiet levels during normal operation, only becoming faintly audible during intensive tasks like software updates or large file transfers. Connectivity options are plentiful, with 3 USB 3.2 ports, a USB 2.0 port, dual LAN ports, and modern wireless standards including Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. The inclusion of a USB-C port that supports both data transfer and display output adds welcome flexibility. However, users should note the absence of a second Ethernet port might require a dongle for certain networking setups. Storage expansion potential is another strong point. While the pre-installed 500 GB NVMe SSD provides fast boot times and application loading, there's room to upgrade to a 2 TB drive. The dual memory slots allow RAM expansion up to 64 GB, though the included 32 GB should satisfy most users' needs. Where the SER5 PRO shows some limitations is in gaming performance. While it can handle casual titles like League of Legends or older AAA games at medium settings, modern graphically intensive games will require significant quality reductions. This aligns with Beelink's positioning of the device as a productivity-first machine. The out-of-box experience proved mostly positive. My unit arrived with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, though some users report needing to perform manual updates to reach the latest OS version. Linux compatibility appears mixed. While Debian-based distributions like MX Linux worked flawlessly in my testing, Ubuntu installations encountered display output issues that required troubleshooting. For power users considering this as a home server, the SER5 Pro shows promise. Running Proxmox virtualization environment, it comfortably hosted multiple lightweight virtual machines and containers. The low power consumption compared to traditional desktop towers makes it attractive for 24/7 operation, though the lack of IPMI features limits remote management capabilities. Build quality feels sturdy, with all ports maintaining secure connections even with frequent cable swaps. The included 36W power adapter remains cool during operation, and the overall energy efficiency makes this an environmentally conscious choice compared to larger desktop systems. Customer support responsiveness appears adequate based on documentation, though some users report challenges with warranty claims requiring original packaging and barcode verification. The 1-year warranty with lifetime technical support provides reasonable coverage for a device in this price range. In daily use, the SER5 PRO excels as a quiet, unobtrusive computing solution. It handles photo editing in Lightroom competently, though complex filters and batch processing will test its limits. Video editors working with 1080p timelines should find performance acceptable, but 4K editing demands more powerful dedicated graphics. The device's compact size does necessitate some compromises. There is no room for internal 2.5-inch drives, so users needing additional storage must rely on external solutions. The single M2 slot means choosing between storage expansion and the existing SSD unless opting for a larger capacity drive up front. For office environments, the SER5 PRO demonstrates particular value. Its ability to drive multiple displays while running productivity suites makes it ideal for reception areas, call centers, or shared workspaces. The lack of moving parts beyond the cooling fan translates to reduced maintenance requirements compared to traditional desktops. Prospective buyers should consider their upgrade path carefully. While memory and storage can be expanded, the soldered CPU means you're committed to the Ryzen 7 5800 850U's performance level. However, given the processor's capabilities, this shouldn't become a limitation for several years in typical use scenarios. In conclusion, the Beelink SER5 Pro Mini PC delivers exceptional value in a compact form factor. It's particularly well-suited for users prioritizing space savings without sacrificing multitasking capabilities. While not without minor quirks regarding operating system support, its combination of strong performance, quiet operation, and flexible connectivity options make it a compelling choice for home users, office workers, and tech enthusiasts alike.